Hello people and welcome back to DashCam, a channel where you can find all the craziest and most epic moments ever caught on driver's dashcam. We got all sorts of crazy encounters from the roads, and this episode is definitely not going to disappoint you. With that being said, all that's left for us is to sit back and enjoy the show. It's not your everyday sight to see someone flip their car right in front of you.
Holy shit!
Pay close attention at the champion in front of the camera. He surely found an interesting way to get around the busy traffic. It's obviously illegal, but he doesn't care at all.
O Brasil para aqui.
Try and join another game. I'm in the future.
One driver was a bit reckless while changing lanes. He didn't check his mirrors, and that nearly caused an accident. Note to all drivers out there, please check your mirrors. It's also important.
Alright folks, the code is on the screen. You can join in. Remember, no gunfire, no lethals, nothing. You're just walking around.
Where are we meeting you?
You're walking around.
Just look at his screen share.
Alright, here we go.
What happens when you try to cut?
Join button. And
I knew that shit was gonna happen. Look, he's still trying to go. Go ahead.
Share
Go
the
ahead.
code, etc., etc.
This Karen in front brake checked the camera for no reason, and boy oh boy did she trigger him.
What are you doing? Go!
Take a slight right turn.
Come on! I've got you on dash cam, go!
Fiesta driver was weaving through heavy traffic, cutting loads of people off, including the camera. The guy in the truck was one of them, and when the trucker finally caught up to the Fiesta driver, he did this.
Come on.
Pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera. He played a really dangerous game there, as he indicated to turn left, and all of a sudden he pulled back and made a sudden U-turn. He even surprised the camera.
Aí vai o Trevor food, mano. Não tem o que fazer.
camera got sideswiped by a careless driver, and instead of pulling over, this crazy dude decided to just drive off. Unbelievable. It's crazy how people act nowadays.
You know, I'm a man of my word. I don't like to back out. So, I mean, the only other suggestion that I've got, someone said. Yeah, mommy's doctor's office. No, not by mommy's work. This one we're not going anywhere near mommy's work.
Oh, Jesus Christ, baby.
Piece of shit. Can't even pull over. Gotta pull over where it's safe. Pull over. Thank you.
This driver got pulled over because he got huge amount of snow on his car. I can't believe drivers like this nowadays. Clean your car of snow, people, when you enter the traffic. And with this cool clip, we conclude today's episode on NewYorkDashCam channel. I hope that it was entertaining and fun to watch, but more importantly, I hope you guys learned something out of the mistakes of these drivers. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you already have the opportunity to? If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it helps this channel grow. Thank you for all your support so far, and until the next episode, drive safe and eyes wide open.